master tech that others can't teach.
Yeah, welcome to Ubalde Official. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up your slow PC in just 5 minutes. No complicated tools needed. Whether you are a student, professional, or just love tech, a slow PC can waste your time and energy. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will guide you through simple fixes that make your computer faster and smoother. So by the end of this video, your PC will boot faster, learn smoother, and handle tasks efficiently, all in the 5 minutes. Let's go start. They are the quick, faster tips, are the 5 things we are going to do now. So the first thing you must do is this. To delete temporary files and clean up the cache in our computer. This is the main thing. This is the many things that cause our PC to learn slowly. You place window key plus Allah, or open window LAN and type %temp percentage and then press enter. After press enter, you control plus H and delete, shift plus delete permanently, not recycle bin, and then close it like this. This is the open programs, and that's the first thing. And the second, in the cleaning cache, you place window LAN or open window LAN again and type prefetch, and then press enter, and then select all at once and then delete permanently, shift plus delete and then press enter. Then after you clean temporary files plus cache, and then what the next is that after do this, the result is the free up space and remove unnecessary files, slowing down your PC. What the next? The second tip is to disable unnecessary startup programs. You press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager or Window plus X. You should also open Task Manager, but Ctrl Shift plus X, and then you open Task Manager. Then after open Task Manager, you go on the Startup app and disable every program that run in the background. Let's start. This is this app. It is running in the background. Sorry, let me try to zoom. Yeah. This app, then right click and disable every app that start up. Disable it. This Chrome, Microsoft Copilot until the end. After this is disable those, PC can start faster and learn smoother. And then the third is to optimize your drive or your PC. What to do now? Open this PC, file my Explorer, and on this PC, on this PC, right click and then properties. Go on the property. After property, wait in the settings, and then you scroll down. But for the people who using Windows 11, they are different. They don't want us through here. You should also write here optimize the fragment and the optimize drive, and then place enter. Open it. For those are people who has Windows 11, then their machine Windows Home 11, but on the Windows 10, you still the Windows PC. And right click, and then after here you click to optimize and wait until the end and the percentage. Then if they said okay, and then should also optimize the disk, but on the SSD or or solid state drive, it is not necessary to optimize, because the solid state drive or SSD, it do it automatically, because it is the new memory storage. And then what you do now, you close. But on the hard disk, you defragment and also recognize the but on here we recognize our SSD. The source is to check virus and also malware in our computer. To check virus and malware in our computer, there are two options. You should use built-in features, security features, or download optional malware-free security app. But let's start by opening, by searching solely Windows security, and open it. Once your PC is there, you are seeing virus and threat protection is okay, firewall and network is okay, app and browser is okay, device security is okay. But here it is not full, or PC is full protected. Here it is the dynamic lock cannot be paired devices. Here it is when your device is protected by using a Bluetooth device and by connecting your PC, by your phone and the PC for security purpose. But here it is not necessary or mandatory always. Here we have account protection is okay, firewall okay, is on for domain and also private network. Even the public network is active now. Device security is okay, device performance health and it was okay. If it is not okay, you should make it okay. And also main thing. So this is the way. But another way to remove or scan your PC by using optional downloaded app, that is a Malwarebytes. You download the Malwarebytes. Here you open Chrome and type Malwarebytes, and then click here. Sorry. Yes, click here. Or you should also using command prompt. Then click download or use command prompt CMD Ctrl Shift plus Enter to learn as administrator. Yes, and then type winget search Malwarebytes. Yes, I don't know if I like the way, but I should type here and then try to search it and install it by using a CMD. Wait a bit. Yes, should also install this. So then after, what to do? You run your malware as I see here. Yes, and then click on scan. Wait until it sends the result or say your computer is safe. And then after, you close your computer and restart. Thank you so much. Let's subscribe for this channel if this video helped you. Let's meet at the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.
First time, our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time, to my place, I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I